Had a great experience with Mike. Found him through a family friend and a referral, so really speaks to just the quality work he does. And very quickly, him and his team came out and evaluated the situation. We had about 20 feet of our roof that needed to be replaced due to rotting wood, which was quickly identified and resolved within, I would say, 3 to 4 days of him actually coming out and doing the inspection. And really just seamless work, everything cleaned up nicely, really clear, and everything was just explained to us in a very layman's terms perspective for us to understand exactly what the problem was, exactly what the solution was. And he was very competitively priced, if not lower priced than other vendors we had gone out to for competitive pricing analysis. So just really great overall experience, and would highly recommend anyone looking for any roof repairs, replacements. Mike's your guy.